Are you ready to capture your craziest adventures, from snowboarding down mountains to epic underwater dives, without worrying about your camera biting the dust? Stick around, because on DSLR Camera Search, I'm revealing the top 9 action cameras. That'll go wherever you do, and maybe even survive things you wouldn't. Whether you're a hardcore adventurer, a vlogger, a mountain biker, or just want to make sure your family vacation memories look cinematic, I've tested them all. So you can pick the perfect one. Let's find the action camera that matches your lifestyle, without wasting a cent on features you'll never use. At number 9, Insta360 Ace Pro *, starting our list with a banger. The Insta360 Ace Pro is the cheapest 8K action camera you can get your hands on. Yes, you heard that right. 8K video in your pocket with a Leica lens for extra clout. The big flip screen is awesome for vlogging, and Insta360's menu design is beginner-friendly. Need pro audio? Just connect AirPods via Bluetooth for a sneaky wireless mic setup. Now, it is a bit chunkier than GoPro or DJI's offerings, and the port covers can be fiddly. But if you want stunning video quality, cool creative modes like star trails, and a price that undercuts the flashiest flagships, the Ace Pro is a killer deal, especially if you find it on sale now that its successor is here. At number 8, DJI Pocket 3. Is it an action cam? Is it a vlogging camera? Actually, the DJI Pocket 3 is both. And for those who value super smooth shots, this gimbal-stabilized marvel is a dream. The 1-inch sensor captures crisp 4K at up to 120 frames per second, while the 2-inch touchscreen flips for easy framing. You even get the option for a Bluetooth mic for pro-level sound. It's not as rugged as others on the list. Definitely don't take it surfing without a good case. But if you're shooting walk-and-talks, travel videos, or cinematic slow-mo, the Pocket 3 stabilization is better than software alone. Just remember, it's more like a pocket-sized movie studio than a hardcore mud buddy. At number 7, Insta360 Go 3. Need a camera that's barely there, but still packs a punch? Insta360 Go 3 is tiny, wearable, and can magnetically clip onto just about anything, including your shirt. The real magic is in the Action Pod, a case that acts as a flip screen charger, boosting battery life for long sessions. It's only 2.7K resolution, so don't expect Hollywood-level detail, but it's ideal for capturing unique perspectives. Think bike rides, dog cam, or first-person action. The editing app is top-notch, the accessories are endless, and if you're a creator who values flexibility over pure spec sheet bragging rights, this is a super fun option. At number 6, GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. For all you adrenaline junkies and FPV drone pilots, the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is all muscle, no fuss. It ditches the screens, shrinks the size, and adds double folding mounts so you can strap it anywhere. The 8:7 sensor makes it super versatile for cropping footage, and the stabilization is classic GoPro. Downsides: no way to preview your shot without a phone, and you'll miss out on the GPS speedometer. But if you just want to hit record and throw yourself into the action, be it mountain biking, skydiving, or even strapping it to your dog, this little tank can handle it all. At number 5, DJI Osmo Action 4. The Osmo Action 4 was the camera that knocked GoPro off its pedestal, and now that the Action 5 Pro is out, it's often a sweet deal. Why does it matter? Simple, DJI crammed a larger image sensor into this thing, so it's unbeatable for low-light action. Shooting in caves, gloomy forests, or, let's face it, most of the UK, you want the Action 4. Plus, the image stabilization is buttery smooth. There's a magnetic quick mount system and no subscription required just to unlock basic features. Just be aware, it caps at 4K, not 5.3K, and the horizon leveling doesn't work at the absolute highest frame rates. But if you're looking for pro performance without the pro price tag, this is a winner. At number 4, Insta360 X5. If you've ever missed the action because you pointed the camera the wrong way, you need the Insta360 X5. This 360-degree camera captures everything, literally, with 8K resolution, user-replaceable lenses, and waterproofing. To 15mm, it's the ultimate shoot first, frame later solution. You can even erase your selfie stick from the shot, making your mountain bike footage look like you've got your own drone. Downsides: battery life drops when shooting in 8K, and you'll want an invisible selfie stick for the best effect. But For creative filmmakers and adrenaline junkies who want to relive every angle, the X5 can replace a whole bag of regular cameras. At number 3, Acaso Brave 7 LE. Not ready to spend GoPro-level money? The Acaso Brave 7 LE is the best budget action camera for 2025, hands down. You get dual screens. Yes, selfie vlogs are a breeze. 4K video, image stabilization, and 2 batteries. In the box, the camera isn't natively waterproof. Slip on the housing for swims and dives, and it doesn't do 60 frames per second at 4K. But at this price, it's an unbeatable way to dip your toes into the world of action video. Great for travelers, student filmmakers, or anyone who wants more adventure and less wallet anxiety. At number 2, GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro's flagship is back, and it's more customizable than ever. The Hero 13 Black offers crazy creative options. Think swappable lens mods, 400 frames per second burst slow-mo, and an 8:7 sensor for content that fits any platform. GoPro brought back GPS, finally, and the magnetic mount is solid, though not quite as slick as DJI's. Image quality is superb in good light, and the wealth of features is a content creator's playground. The catch? It still struggles in low light, and GoPro really wants you to sign up for their subscription services. If you want versatility and all the lens mods, and you don't mind paying a little extra for add-ons, this is still the OG. At number 1, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Crowning our list, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the action camera to beat in 2025. Why? It just does everything better. The new 1/1.3-inch sensor destroys the competition in low light. Both front and rear screens are high-res, bright touchscreens, perfect for framing, reviewing, and vlogging. Waterproof to 20 meters, incredible battery life, 10-bit color for pro video, built-in 47GB storage, and even a pressure sensor for data overlays on your wildest dives or climbs. No, there's no 5.3K video, but unless you're projecting your vacation onto a billboard, you'll never notice. This is the all-weather, all-scenario action camera that lets you focus on your adventure instead of your settings. So, whether you want to shoot 8K vlogs, fly drones with a featherweight camera, capture 360-degree stunts, or just need a budget-friendly way to document your next road trip, there's an action camera on this list for you. Asterisk, think about your own adventures. Choose for your needs, not just the biggest numbers on the box. Sometimes the simplest camera is the one you'll actually use the most. Which action camera caught your eye? Got questions or crazy action cam stories to share? Drop them in the comments. I love seeing your adventures. Smash that like button if you found this list helpful. Subscribe to DSLR Camera Search for more honest reviews, and ring the bell for fresh gear drops and hands-on tutorials every week. Until next time, get out there, get recording, and let your stories run wild.